Welcome to the lecture series on beta and gamma functions. In this lecture, I am going to explain about the problem, that is integral 0 to infinity root of y e power minus y square dy into integral 0 to infinity e power minus y square divided by root y dy. Value is pi by 2 root 2. For doing this problem, we have a note point that gamma of 1 by 4 into gamma of 3 by 4 value can be written as pi root 2. So make sure of this note point. We can proceed for the solution. So first I am going to discuss about the definition of gamma function, that is alternative form of gamma function. That is, we know gamma of n can be written as integral 0 to infinity 2 into integral 0 to infinity e power minus x square into x power 2n minus 1 dx. This is the definition of gamma function. Now this I am making slight changes. That means 1 by 2 into gamma of n. If I rewrite this definition as 1 by 2 into gamma of n, we will get integral 0 to infinity e power minus x square x power 2n minus 1 dx. So with this small change, I am going to proceed with the solution of above problem. So first integral, I am going to take it as I1. First integral I am taking it as I1, that is integral 0 to infinity e power minus y square into y power root y can be written as y power plus half into dy. So this definition I am going to take it as equation 1 and this I am going to take it as equation 2. So comparing equation 1 and 2, compare equation 1 and 2, we will get this is almost the same definition with a slight change that this power is different. This power is different, except that everything is same. Except that everything is same. So what I am going to do is taking 2n minus 1 value as half. Here in the place of 2n minus 1 we have plus half. So from this I am going to find n value. Since if I able to know 2n minus 1 value as if you compare these two values, we will get n value, so that I can substitute that n value as this definition. Okay, so I am going to find n value from this. Implies 2n is equal to half this minus 1. If I send right hand side, we get plus 1. N is equal to 2n is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 can be written as 3 by 2. So n value can be written as 3 by 4. As we know n value for this I1, so I can directly write this definition as I1 is equal to, or integral 0 to infinity e power minus y square into y power half dy. Directly I can write this as 1 by 2 into gamma of n. Gamma of n. Gamma of n value is 3 by 4. Gamma of 3 by 4 I can write. So I have used the definition 1. So from equation 1 I can write this. In the same way, I need to calculate I2. I2 is nothing but integral 0 to infinity e power minus y square into 1 by root y dy. Now take this equation as equation 3 and compare, or suppose I am going to rewrite I2 as integral 0 to infinity e power minus y square into y power minus 1 by 2 I can write. 1 by root y can be written as y power minus 1 by 2 into dy. Now again compare, take this as equation 3. I am going to take this as equation 3. Now compare equation 1 and 3. Equation 1 and 3, in the place of 2n minus 1 we have, minus 1 by 2. So that means 2n minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 2, implies 2n is equal to minus 1 by 2 into, here plus 1 will get. So 2n is equal to minus half plus 1, that is half will get, implies n value will get it as how much? 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Now what is the given problem? First integral I have taken it as I1, second integral I have taken it as I2. Now I want to find I1 into I2. So we need to find still I2 value, we didn't still find. Now let us find I2. I2 is nothing but integral 0 to infinity e power minus y square into y power minus half dy. So as per the definition, this I can directly written as 1 by 2 into gamma of n. Gamma of n is nothing but n value we found it as 1 by 4. So 1 by 2 into gamma of 1 by 4. How we got this? From equation 1. From equation 1. Now I want to find I1 into I2. I1 into I2. So that can be written as integral 0 to infinity I1 into I2 is nothing but root y e power minus y square dy into integral 0 to infinity e power minus y square into 1 by root y dy, where we have find these integral values as 1 by 2 into gamma of 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 into gamma of 1 by 4. Now this will be equal to 1 by 4 into gamma of 3 by 4 into gamma of 1 by 4. As we know the value of gamma of 3 by 4 into gamma of 1 by 4 value as pi root 2. So here I can write this as pi root 2. Since 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2, so pi root 2 divided by, here we got it as 1 by 4. So 4 can be written as 2 into 2. So here 1 by 4 into this much. So 2 into root 2 into root 2 I can write. As we know, 4 can be written as 2 into 2. But 4 can also be written as 2 into 2 value can be written as root 2 into root 2. So in this way I have written. So now one root 2 get cancelled. Final answer we get it as pi by 2 root 2. So this is what the answer we need. So finally I have shown integral 0 to infinity root y e power minus y square dy into integral 0 to infinity e power minus y square divided by root y dy is equal to pi by 2 root 2. So in this way we'll get the final answer.